Hello 108 students, Mr. McHugh here with you. Welcome to whiteboard video number 20. I'm scrunching down here now. I'm going to try something different here, but what we're doing is whiteboard number 20. Like I said, this is from section 9.5, example 3 out of the class notes, and that's on page 533 out of the book, but also homework problem number 12. And what I want to do combo here is I'm going to show on the board how to graph a function, a parabola, it's a quadratic in a form of y equals x minus h quantity squared plus k. Now we've been talking about these in the videos, and I wanted to use this example and actually work your way through how you do these problems here and finding the vertex, plugging in a couple values for x and y, and then using in MyMathLab the tool. Okay, so I'm going to do it on the board here, and then we're going to go into I'm going to switch over and go to screen mode on the video, and I'm going to jump into MyMathLab problem number 12, and I'm going to try to walk your way through it there. So we'll see how this all goes. Okay, so here's the story. F of x or y equals x plus 3 quantity squared minus 2. When you graph these equations, you know it's a parabola because of the square. Okay, now you need to find the vertex. The vertex is the smallest or the highest point. Now, since these are all positive values, these vertexes will be the smallest. It'll be the lowest point. And all you have to do is remember inside the parentheses is the horizontal distance, and that form, that h always helps me. It's always the opposite sign. So if you see a 3, the vertex is going to be negative 3 on the x coordinate, and whatever the vertical movement is on the outside, that k constant, if it's a minus 2, you simply bring it down, and there's your vertex. Okay, so you're 1/2 of the way there already. So next, what I like to do is make a quick expanded xy table, and look what happens when you pick the vertex as negative 3, you plug it in, negative 3 plus 3 is 0. That's why it's the vertex. 0 squared is 0, and you minus 2, that makes the output what that k component is, and there's the negative 2. So input negative 3, output negative 2, vertex. Okay, now the question is, what do? You got to graph these, and I'd like to see you do these on your homework too. Show a couple sketches here. You don't have to go crazy with a lot of points, but show enough that I get that, and you get that you know what you're doing. Okay, so here's what I mean. Negative 3, go back 2 units, put a negative 5 in. Okay. Negative 5 plus 3 would be what? Negative 2. Negative 2 squared would be 4. 4 minus 2 would be 2. Now, these expanded XY tables, this is nothing more than arithmetic work in here, but students rush this too fast, and then they make mistakes, and they get the wrong points, and they get marked wrong on MyMathLab. Make sure you are following the nitty-gritty details. Now, if you go back 2 units on the x-axis, go up 2 units, so from negative 3, go up 2, go to negative 1, put it in, and we should see some symmetry here. We went 2 units back, 2 units forward. Negative 1 plus 3 class is what? 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Are we seeing symmetry? Yes. And those are the pairing points. Okay, now that's all you got to do. You've got 3 points. You're going to graph the vertex, and I'm going to show you here on the board how MyMathLab does it and how you do it by hand too. So, on the board in on your notebook, find the vertex, negative 3, comma 2, put your dot, and then go find 2 other points. Negative 5, comma 2 would be about right here, and negative 1, comma 2 would be about right here. Okay, now from here you're graphing the parent graph, y equals x squared, so just kind of sketch it in here. You don't have to be too crazy. Something like that. Make it look like a parabola. Do not make it a V. Okay, now what I was doing over here was, I'm going to jump over here on the computer screen real quick, is MyMathLab, when you pull up the graph, you're going to hit this button first, and you're going to right click on your right hand, right click, and mark down, lock down the vertex. And then you're going to see the parabola created. And as you move your mouse around, you're going to lock down the second point, like I would lock down this negative 1, comma 2, and you're going to click, and you're going to snap the parabola down. And since it's symmetry, it's going to make the right-hand side. Speaking of symmetry, I've been using green on my notes. Right here at, what? X equals negative 3 is your line of symmetry. Okay, sorry, is everybody with me there? Sorry, it's kind of crazy. So, that's how you do it. Now, I'm going to jump down here, and we are going to, I'm going to click to the screen, and I'm going to disappear, and my MATLAB is going to pop up. At least that's the plan. Okay, hang tight. Just hopefully you still hear my voice. Uh-oh, I got rejected. Okay, I'm going to say no. Okay, so guess what? I'm going to stop this, and then I'm going to make another video, 21, where I'll explain it. Okay, so Mr. Q for now here, I guess I'm going to check out. Because I'm too cheap to buy the professional version of this debut software, I'll come back and do video number 21, explain my MATLAB. Okay, class, take care. Bye.